Baking party.
I-hype nyo naman!
Welcome! Ay, mali.
Ang kaming birthday kayo na lang maganda.
But they don't know the truth. My heart's crippled by the face that I take over.
Big tayo, ano? Tara? We are Black Natured Bears.
Thank you.
Hi, what's up everybody?
Kami mag-bake ng bread.
Mag-bake sila ng bread, si Reicel and si Kaitlyn.
Hindi mag-bake sila ng bread. Ay, ano mga
At
bread?
first, ang una nilang gagawin, syempre, yung baking powder.
Oh, tara.
First, ano ba? Gagawin namin, syempre, kukuha ng bowl kasi kung walang bowl, saan akong gagawa?
Siyempre. Daw. Gusto mo?
May kaaway ako dito, wait lang.
Dito, boy.
Ayun. So, yung una, yung mga ingredients and your measurement is flour, all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, oil, and water. So, we will measure 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
Kaya kong nag-alipit kapag
Copyright tayo dun ba? Sir, kung live lang to, makikita nyo gaano kakulit, walang cuts. Yung cuts?
Sayang. Papakainin ulit natin si Sir Abby. Ay, si Sir Ian naman ngayon.
What is this muna?
It's baking soda bread.
Baking soda bread.
Yes.
Vinegar!
Do I need to worry? Or, yeah.
Pwede sa tayo dito ah.
Mamimit ko ba kayo sa wrestling?
Yes, sir!
Sir, may tubig ako.
Wala siyang lasa!
Hindi siya nasa Manila, sa garden.
See, medyo iba yung kulay. Feeling ko ginamit to pang pork chop. Wait lang. So next is 2 tablespoon. 2 teaspoon pala. Sorry guys. Okay, 1 cup of water. 1, and then the last is 2 tablespoon. 1, 2. Oh, mix. Bilis. Nalagyan ko na ng oil. Itong isang part. Parang lang hindi ko siya dumikit. Kung nasaan kami po ito. Hindi ko naman. Before we proceed to another bread, let's make our yeast. Ano tawag ito? sorry, to activate the yeast so that we don't really have to wait when creating the actual yeast. So here, so 1/3 of grabe ya. And ano to? Yeast, 1/2 tablespoon of and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Wala. Ang sabi daw nila eh. And mix it. And wait it to activate. I add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, we are gonna add the 1 teaspoon of salt. The next is we are gonna add our water. Say it's true, you take my life just for the thrill. Okay, so we instead of 2/3, we're gonna make 10 tablespoons and plus 2 teaspoons. And then 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 and and mix. I forgot to add vinegar, but it's fine since we're just gonna add it here. Dough, I suggest that you always use your both hand and push it toward the end of the table so that it's mixed properly, and always do it to both of the sides. Oh my god. For this, it still takes 1 hour to 2 hours for it to rise. Sila na mauuna tsaka ako na mag-ready. Pahingin yung pagpatay ng langaw, papatayin ko yung langaw. Huwag kayo...
Pag nag-ano na kayo, nag-end, nandito ako. Pag nag-end,
di ka mawawala. Hindi magiging sa'yo yung para sa street. No.
I'm baking the bread. Ang parang may amoy. Sir, ate, dadali namin to sa Monday. For you, this is the baking powder, yeast, and baking soda.
May soda pa.
And we're going muna natin in 450 degree.
Paano 450 dito?
450? Pinakasagad yun.
250?
250? Ah, okay lang. Hintayin muna natin uminit yung oven bago natin ilagay yung mga bread. Wow! We're putting the bread! Akasya ba yun? Dito. So, add another 60 minutes. Ay, wait pala. 60 minutes na. And now we already put the bread. We will put another 60 minutes for the bread to fully bake.
Baking o matutunan?
Sunog na yun. Sunog na yung bread natin. Patong na pa.
Sino ba kasi
we're finally done with our baking, and I think it's a success. As you can see the appearance, it's like golden, tastes good,
Yeah, it tastes good.
smell good.
And it smells so good.
Mwah! The difference for the three alternative yeast is that yeast will taste better than the rest of the bread, but still it will it still tastes still the best alternative for yeast, since it also tastes bread but it just have different taste. So yun lang.